Cause this guy, he ain't scared of nothing. He's one bad mother. Yeah. This little guy's so used to humans, he don't even care. Look at this guy, he don't give zero credit. Okay. This guy don't care about nothing. Look at him. Hey, Birdie. Look at these guys. That bird, he didn't give two fucks about nothing. That's a bad bird right there, y'all. I'm just checking the pumps since they got paper, and I saw that guy, he didn't even move when I came walking at him. He just looked at me like I was an idiot. That bird didn't care. Oh well, you get birds like that. Look at that. These guys, they're crazy. Well, we checked the papers in the pump, met a bad bird that didn't care. Look, see, that guy, he already flew off. That other bird, he didn't care. Man, that bird has some balls. Or he's married and he ain't scared of nothing. I bet you that's probably what it is. Man. What a day, y'all. What a day. We're going to be doing some racing later on when we get off at Logan's. I close at 9. I'm leaving at 9. I ain't staying up for all day. And on that bombshell, good night.